Less than a month after jury trials resumed, the El Paso County Courthouse is calling a halt after a court staff member tested positive for COVID-19. KRDO News Channel 13's Lauren Barnes is live in our newsroom tonight to explain what this emergency order means for anyone awaiting trial. Lauren, we understand this comes directly from the county's chief judge.
Yeah, Heather, it does come from the chief judge, but there are a few exceptions to the court's closure. It will stay open to offer essential services like filing a protection order or petitioning for emergency guardianship. Otherwise, the court is closed to the public for at least the next 2 weeks.
Our judicial system really is based upon human interaction.
That human contact is what Chief Judge William Bain and the Health Department are worried about after a staff member in the judicial building tested positive for COVID-19. An order issued Sunday limits the courthouse to essential services only until at least August 14th. The courthouse previously scaled back operations for several months over coronavirus concerns.
I can only imagine right now that there's thousands of cases, both criminal and civil, that are backlogged as a result of the COVID pandemic.
In-person proceedings, including jury trials, will be rescheduled. While it might be a sigh of relief for someone dreading their jury summons, Timothy Bussey says most of his clients want their day in court over with.
For example, an auto accident person, and they want to get it in front of a jury to get the compensation that they deserve, and they can't.
Video or telephone calls will replace some appointments, though he says virtual hearings don't work in many cases.
The rights are real, and if we start getting into doing essentially a Zoom trial, some of those rights will be lost.
We couldn't speak to Chief Judge William Bain today, but Bussey can only imagine how difficult it is to call the shots right now.
Nobody has faced this before, so the Chief Judge is trying to do the best he can and do some risk management while keeping an essential governmental function moving.
The court is asking anyone who was at the courthouse on July 27th in Division 15 or July 29th in Division 19 to email them for help with contact tracing. You can find this story on KRDO.com for that email address, as well as more detailed information about which court operations are considered essential. Live in the newsroom tonight, Lauren Barnes, KRDO News Channel 13.